Alright, well, I picked up a dishwasher the other day and this unit actually works. The only issue with it is this plug. One of the prongs is either burnt, which it appears to be burnt and warped it, and so it's sticking out farther than the other one. So I'm going to replace the plug. The tools you need for this is a pair of wire strippers, side cutters, Phillips screwdriver, box knife, and a pair of needle nose to give the wire a nice curl to go around the screws. And the new plug. Your black wire or line wire goes on the brass end. Your white wire or neutral wire goes on the silver screw. And then your ground or green wire goes on the green screw. Alright, so we'll start off with cutting the end of the plug off here. And watch it fly away. Alright, now we'll cut some insulation back. We probably want to do about 1.25 inches. We don't want to cut too deep so we don't cut through any wires. I'll scratch the top of it. That's alright. And I'm going to cut back just a little bit more. That should be enough to get around it. Spread our wires apart here. Enough. I'll give our wires a good twist here. Wire in. Start with the black wire here. No, that's where the needle nose come in here. Now we want to make sure that we're putting it in the direction that the screw turns, which I think I just put that in the wrong way. And I ain't got it out far enough. Alrighty, see if I can use that to get it to wrap around. There we go. Well, I don't think I got that back far enough. I don't. I have never used these. I usually use the big bulkier round ones. Gives us enough space now to do some changing around on our wire position here. I'm just going to use my fingers to give it a curl. Well, get on there. Struggle's real. There we go. I'm putting that on backwards, but it should still work. Yeah, not gonna work. Alright, well, let's fix it here. Make sure she's good and snug in there. Twist it around. That might be all right. All right. Now we got to get it around the we got a screw stud there that we got to try to get it around. Let's see if we can get it to snap down over it. May have to use the screw to get it to pinch it down. Make sure it's all out of the way. Alright. Make sure it's good and tight on that, and there we go. Thanks for watching, guys.